Guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me today. So today I've got a little bit of a haul. So there's a few different places. There's Home Bargains, Boots. I got something from Tesco yesterday that I want to go into with you. My mum also gave me a few things as well, so we're going to go into all that. I'm just going to check if it's recording, because I tried recording this video yesterday and it didn't record. So yeah, let me just check that. Yeah, the paranoia is just setting in. So I've already got one fail to talk to you about, because I've already tried it. It's leaking. Right, let me put this down, because that's leaking in the bag, because I opened it up yesterday. Anyway, it's just a bag like that. This isn't the bag that I took to town with me. I just put it all in here. Right, so let's talk about Home Bargains first. Okay, where are we starting? Right, shall we just start with a fail? Right, so if you know anything about me at the moment, you'll know I'm on a diet, and I've been getting these Slim Fast shakes. Last month I went and got the banana ones. They didn't have strawberry, so I saw this in Home Bargains for $6.99. Normally they come in smaller tins than this. I'm really glad that I've managed to find a bigger tin. This gives you 16 meals, where the smaller tins give you 10. So anyway, I managed to find this in Home Bargains, and it was £7. But that wasn't good enough for me, was it? I saw this other meal replacement, which is also to help you slim down a little bit, and I'd never even heard of the brand, so that should have been like a giveaway of not to try it. So it just sounded like a really nice shake. Let's see, where are you? So it's this one here. Sorry, being paranoid again. So it's this one here. It's called Solo. So I've never even heard of it. And it says Solo Your Best Body Meal Replacement Slimming Shake. So that's what it looks like. And it's got a delicious cupcake here. That's what drew me in, probably. And it says delicious banana and caramel flavour. Guys, there is nothing delicious about it. So this one, the Slim Fast one, you put milk in it, you put skimmed milk in it, and that gives it the taste, I suppose. But this one's already got skimmed milk in it, so what you need to do really is put water in, 250 mils of water, whereas you put in 250 mils of milk in the Slim Fast one. So I was a bit wary when I bought it, but I knew that you had to put water in it. So the first day that I had it, it says, I'll just talk you through what it says. It says, take 230 to 300 ml of cold water, add 2 scoops of powder, shake well and enjoy. I put my shakes through the blender, and I always put ice in them, so I put a couple of cubes of ice in. Oh my gosh, it was a watery mess. All you could taste was the water, really. You couldn't even taste the powder. So then today, I thought I'd give it another try, and I just put cold water. I left the ice till the end, like till I'd actually made the shake, put it in the blender again, and it tasted slightly better. But it's like, when I've been drinking it, you can see the rings of where the powder has deposited onto the mug, and you can't see that with Slim Fast. So cheaper is not always better. It's like, you know, buying twice basically. I'm gonna drink it because obviously I paid good money for it. I think it was £5.50 or £4.50. I think it might have been £4.50 for 10 meals. So yeah, I will obviously drink it, but I'm not going to repurchase it. I'm just going to stick to the Slim Fast. I just thought I'd try it because it's something different, and you know, I thought, well, I like banana Slim Fast, so I'm probably going to love that. And it's got like caramel in it, so it's a bit sweeter. I think it's because it's made with water, I don't like it. So yeah, sticking to the Slim Fast from now on. Okay, I got some of these cookies again. I don't know how long ago it was, but my last Home Bargains haul, I got some of these because I'm on the diet. So it's these Skinny Cookie Co mini chalk chip cookies, and they're only 98 calories a pack. So that's what the packets look like. You don't get much in. It's 19.8 grams. But I mean, I loved them the first month I got them, and now I'm not overly keen on them, but I have been really sick with gastric flu, so I feel like my taste buds aren't what they should be, so it could be that. But I have been eating them. So yeah, I got 2 boxes. So that's the other box there unopened. Right, what else? Oh yeah, I got some of these. So these are the Bradbury's Whole Foods dried mango. They're really nice actually. I just couldn't eat more than a few at a time, so I just thought I would get them to snack on. Also, I saw this in Home Bargains. I think this was either £1.50 or £2. It's Face Facts Overnight Face Mist, Calm and Soothe, enriched with chamomile flower, lavender and rice extract. And you put it on. It's an overnight face mist. I didn't say that, but you put it on at night time. It says calm and soothe skin with the Face Facts Overnight Face Mist infused with chamomile flower, lavender and rice extract. This mist provides antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties to help balance skin. Perfect for a quick spritz and refresh before bed. Formulated without parabens and it's vegan friendly. So I thought I'd give it a go, and if it works, then I'll get a few more bottles of it. I'll just keep it by my bedside, because at the moment I'm lucky if I get an hour and a half sleep a night. But I'm going to go into that in a future video. It's been hell, guys. I've been sick and I'm not sleeping, so I feel like I'm going crazy a little bit. So the next thing is, right, so it appears it did it again. So I just need to film the second portion of the video. So I think we got most of the products out of the way. So I also got some of these soft pita breads that Warburton's have just brought out, and you basically put your filling in like that. So I thought I'd give them a try. So I didn't get them from Home Bargains though. I got them from Iceland, which is a supermarket in the UK, if you're not from the UK and you're watching this. So yeah, I got them from there, and I got a whole bunch of other stuff, but that's in the freezer, so I just thought I'd show you them as they're new. I think now we're gonna move on to health related things. So I'll just tell you the story about going to the pharmacy. I've already gone through this once before, but I'll tell you again. So yesterday I had to pick up some medication for my mum from the pharmacy. I've gotten to the point where I'm at my wit's end. I'm very emotional because I'm not sleeping, and also at the minute I'm suffering from a little bit of depression as well. So I'm very, very emotional. It's like I'm getting a double whammy kind of thing. So I just said to him, I said, is there anything that I can be taking until I go and see my consultant? Told him all about the sleep apnea. I said, is there anything I can take to give me a bit of energy, because I'm feeling so tired and drained constantly. If I get some sleep in the afternoon, I feel really, really tired when I wake up. So the quality of sleep I'm getting isn't great. Anyway, he said that there wasn't. He said the only thing that he could recommend, and it would be very short term, is Pro Plus, or like an energy drink, like Red Bull or something like that. I don't like Red Bull. When I was finished in the chemist, I went straight over to the store and got this Lucozade energy drink, because it's got glucose in it, and I was hoping that it would help. I mean, I've only had a little bit of it, in fairness, but I don't really like the way it tastes. I will finish it off, but I don't think I'd repurchase it. But also on the energy front, I did buy these from Home Bargains. So they're the Revitalised Healthcare Plus Effervescent Energy in orange flavour, and you're getting 20 tablets, one a day. So I've already taken one. I took one yesterday and I really didn't like it. I am going to continue with them, so I've got 19 more to go, and it does say 20 orange flavoured vitamin B complex effervescent food supplement tablets with vitamin C, minerals and sweeteners, and you're getting vitamin C, vitamin B12, calcium and magnesium contribute to normal energy yielding metabolism. Vitamin B6 and vitamin B12 contribute to the reduction of tiredness and fatigue. So I thought I'd pick them up and see how I get on with them. Like I said, I don't really like them, but sometimes you've got to have the things that you don't like because they're what's good for you. So I got them. My mum, I'll show you that when I go through some of the products that my mum got for me. In fact, I'll do that now. Now, my mum a couple of weeks ago asked me to get her some face masks. In the UK you don't have to wear them, people are constantly not wearing them, but the infection rate is still pretty high, so I feel like it's silly when you're on a small tiny bus not to wear a face mask. So she really likes the Disney ones, especially Frozen, so she asked me to get her 2 more of the Frozen ones, and she said choose one for yourself, so I chose this really cute Mickey Mouse one. I'll show you what it looks like on. So it just looks like that. It's really nice. It fits to my face really well, and it's got these little hearts on the strap there. Really pretty. It does need a wash though because I have worn it, so that can go in the wash. Then she bought me this beautiful clip here with my initial on it. Now it's not going to be any good when my hair is down like this, when it's thick and curly. But when it's straight, it's going to look really nice in my hair, or even when I curl it with curling tongs. It's too thick. So yeah, I really do like that. She spoils me rotten, and she knows how I've been struggling like to sleep and how my energy isn't there. And she had a couple of bottles of this pop in her hair house now. I asked her next time she went to the supermarket to buy me some, so it's a Capri Sun with real fruit juice, multivitamin squash, and I've never seen anything like this. Obviously you can get orange juice to get your vitamins in, but this has got all different kinds of vitamins in it. So it's got vitamin C, which contributes to the normal function of the immune system. Vitamin B3 contributes to the reduction of tiredness and fatigue. Vitamin B6 contributes to the normal function of the immune system. Vitamin B1 contributes to normal psychological function, and biotin contributes to normal functioning of the nervous system. Now this one is better than the Lucozade. I actually really like this one. So once I've had all this, I'll probably get some more of it, probably get a couple of bottles. So she got me that. She does really look after me. So that's that. Then we're going back into Home Bargains. I did get some products for my hair. I'm trying to look after my hair when it's in its natural curly state, like today for instance. So I got these because I thought they were by John Frieda, but it's not. It's Creighton's Frizz No More Super Smooth and Colour Kind Curls Hold and Moisture Activator Cream. It's got the EnviroLock Complex Defense Against Humidity. It's 100ml or 3.38 fluid ounces, and it just says Frizz No More is the ultimate solution for perfectly manageable, frizz-free, super smooth hair, professionally formulated with the unique frizz-fighting EnviroLock Complex, which helps to defend against troublesome humidity. Hair is left controlled no matter what the weather. Now wouldn't that be great if that does actually work? It says Frizz No More Hold and Moisture Activator Cream reduces frizz and defines curls for lasting style hold with nourishing meadow foam and natural argan oil. The conditioning formulas add glossy shine. The Colour Kind formula is suitable for all hair types. So it just says apply a small amount of product into your palm and work through damp hair, style as usual. So I can only use this really after I've gotten out of the shower. And it just says avoid contact with eyes. These were only £1 each from Home Bargains. So if you've got naturally curly hair like me, it's worth a try, right? So yeah, I got 2 of them. And then I got the matching serum. So I won't go through all the spiel again because it's just exactly the same. But it's the Creighton's Frizz No More Super Smooth and Colour Kind Sleek and Shine Miracle Serum, EnviroLock Complex, defends against humidity, and it's 50ml this one, or scared me, I don't know what that was, or 1.7 fluid ounces. really, really good. And it says Frizz No More Sleek and Shine Serum reduces frizz to leave the hair silky soft and smooth with argan oil. The conditioning formula adds glossy shine. The Colour Kind formula is suitable for all hair types. So that's that. I don't think, I mean, this one would be suitable for all hair types, but I don't think this is going to be suitable for straight hair. It might mean, depending on what thickness you've got, if you've got naturally curly hair, but it doesn't, yeah. That one's a curl activator cream. That one does say curls on it, but this one, it's just a frizz serum. So if you get like, if you've got straight hair and you've got flyaway ends, this one would help put them in place. And then there's only one more thing. So with Boots in the UK, they do this £10 Tuesday, and I was looking for an eye cream, and Boots had put their £10 offers up, and I just thought to myself, I wonder what they've got on there, not expecting to find anything, and then I saw this Olay Eyes Brightening Cream, and I thought it sounded really interesting, and I thought, well, you know, this might be a good one to try. You only do get 15 mils of products, which isn't much at all, is it? So it says benefits: brightens the look of dark circles and visibly reduces the look of fine lines for bright, refreshed looking eyes. So that definitely is something that I need. And it says how it works. It's a powerful formula packed with caffeine, orange flower extract and vitamin B3, which hydrates skin for a smooth and bright look. So I'm looking forward to trying that. So I'll just show you what it looks like. So it just looks like that. It's tiny, but it is full. I've not even used it yet. I swatched it to see what it felt like on the skin, but I've not actually used it. I think I might use it on camera with you guys for the first time and give you my overall first impressions tomorrow when I've got no makeup on. So this concludes the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching today. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and notifications bell. I'm currently working on a giveaway and you have to be in it to win it. Please like, it really does help out the channel, share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.